Hey guys, Miles again with Elixir. Today we're going to be going over the heart button, also known as the follows button. So this is a very simple button, very straight to the point. I can't really give you any recommendations on this because it's just so simple. So what this button is for is anyone who types F for F in your stream's chat, they're going to go here under the request tab. So Shade_CB has typed F for F in my stream at some point. So he's essentially requesting to do follow for follow with me. So if I click follow, it's going to automatically follow his channel. Okay. So that's how the request tab works. Now we have 3 tabs here. Request is essentially F for F being typed in your stream. That person's name is going to go here and you can quickly follow them back. Easy. So we got request, unfollowed you, and followers. We're going to go for followers first. So what followers is it's a list of every one of your followers. And this gets refreshed. It's up to date constantly. So I have 393 channels following me. Here they all are. So these are all the channels that are following me. As you can see, some of them have the follow button next to their name, and some have the unfollow button. If they have follow, that means I haven't followed them back yet. If they have unfollow, I have followed them, but it gives me the option to quickly unfollow those users, and I'll show you why. So I'm following those people. There is 44 channels here out of those people that are following me. And as you see, I clicked from followers to following. These are the people that are following me. Okay, so I can unfollow these people. This is essentially just a filter. But I can unfollow these people that are following me if I want. But now we also have this not following back. So these people here are people that I am following that aren't following me back. Because if you request a follow for follow, that person's saying, hey, you follow me, I'm going to follow you back. So if they don't follow you back and they've requested that follow for follow, then it's kind of like they're cheating you, you know. That's not the way I look at it. You know, the more people I follow, the better. The more people I lurk, the better. I want my name everywhere. That's how I feel about it. But some people feel differently. So we give you that option to see who isn't following you back, to see who you are following, and to see every single person on your list that has followed you. We also have the unfollowed option. So from the date you run the program, that entire list is kept in memory. So the program knows when it checks again to see who's on your follower list, if someone's left, you can see who has unfollowed you. So it'll let you know if you're losing followers or if you're gaining followers. So if you have, you can quickly unfollow them and then you can clear that data so you don't see it anymore. We also have the same filter. You'll see this all over the program. You can search through all of your followers. So I'll type in NASCAR Jake. As you can see, it filtered him out. He's following me. I don't want to unfollow him because we're both following each other. Simple. Now, a lot of people don't do follow for follow. This feature is available to anyone who uses the program, regardless of if you use it or not. It's a great tool. I recommend you use it. Once again, regardless of if you do F for F or not. This is Miles with Elixir. I really appreciate you all. Anyone who's a part of the community, anyone who's not a part of the community, anyone who just streams on Twitch, anyone that's a small streamer, I appreciate you, man. None of this would be possible without you guys. Once again, you can check us out at streamelixir.com. You can hop in our Discord if you have any questions at any time. Message me, myself. You can message the Flying Pie or any of our support members, or just hop in general and ask a question, man. We got a really good team. We got a really good community. And I just appreciate you all, man. I hope you all have a good day, and I hope you enjoy the series.